Please subscribe. That's hard. Here. Good job.
You to find the perfect match.
Okay. This one goes here. This one goes
That
here.
doesn't look right, Mila.
Why? What about like this? Like
A
this?
little bit more.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job.
That's not it. Wait. Good job. Dance class.
Что это такое?
Square. That's hard.
That's hard one.
Here.
Good job.
Now what is it? It's a road.
Oh yeah? What about this one?
A square, a triangle. That's a triangle only. It's only a triangle.
That's easy, right?
Yeah, that's only a triangle. That's only a triangle. You can do only one.
You want to do hard one?
Yes, I love hard ones. This is tricky. It's like a pancake or popcorn. There we go. And
Good job, Mila. Wow.
now it's a circle.
Give me 5. Beep. Look, Mila.
Nice, so good.
What piece is missing? This one? Are you sure? Good job. No, just place it here, Mila.
Where?
Right here. Let me hold for you. Bravo. Okay, what is it? What shape is that? It should be a
Tango.
Okay, so what shape is missing here? This one, or this one?
This one.
That was so easy for you.
I don't love easies.
You're best of the best of the best.